In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import custom symbols on MT5. We'll walk through this process using the MT5 web terminal, but the general idea is similar if you're on the desktop version. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look out for, so your custom symbols are set up correctly and ready to trade or analyze. First, make sure you're logged into your MT5 terminal and that you can see the Market Watch window. This is usually located on the left side of the screen and shows the list of instruments or trading symbols that are currently available for you. If you don't see it, look for the Market Watch icon or enable it from the View menu so it's visible. Now, move your mouse over anywhere inside the Market Watch list and right-click. This right-click is important because it opens a context menu that gives you more options for managing your symbols. Take a moment to check that you really are right-clicking inside the Market Watch area and not somewhere else on the platform. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Symbols and left-click it. This opens the Symbols window, which is where MT5 lets you organize, edit, and add new instruments. You'll see categories of existing symbols, but what we're interested in is creating something that's not already in that list. Inside the Symbols window, find the button or link that says Add Custom Symbol and click on it. Depending on your version, this might be at the bottom or the side of the window, but it will clearly refer to adding a custom symbol. Once you click it, MT5 will open a new dialog dedicated to your custom instrument. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Typically, you'll be asked to type in the name or ticker of your custom symbol and possibly adjust basic settings like the number of decimal places, the contract size, or the underlying asset type. Go through each field carefully, and if you're not sure about a value, it's a good idea to pause and double check with your data provider or broker's documentation. Continue clicking through the prompts until you reach the end and confirm or save your new symbol. When you're done, your custom symbol should now appear in the Symbols window, and you can enable it so it shows up in MarketWatch. Once it's visible there, you can open a chart, add indicators, and work with it just like any other instrument in MT5.